ICSE Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is ICSE Semester 1 Examination Special Question Paper of Physical Education. The total mark of the paper is 50 and the time allowed is 1 hour. The reading time is also included in 1 hour. And all the 50 questions are compulsory for attempting, and the mark of the question has been given in front of the bracket. Let us start the question number 1. The question 1. The physical growth and development is called. The physical growth means upper growth, not mental growth and not any nervous growth. Physical growth means bodily growth. And the development, there is 4 options: readiness, maturation, heredity and mobility. This is not also mobility. Heredity is not a physical growth because it comes from generation to generation. Readiness is also not a option. So the option 2, maturation means adultness is the correct option. Let us start question 2. What is tennis elbow injury? The option 1, it is inflammation of the tendon that joint to muscle to the forearm outside the elbow. We know that the muscle, there is joint the ligament and tendon. Ligament is joint bone to bone and tendon is joint bone to muscle, while ligament is joint bone to bone. So the option 1, it is inflammation of the tendon that join the muscle of the forearm to the outside of the elbow is the correct option. Let us start question number 3. What does mesomorph refer to? The mesomorph means the body is in the harmony, not very fat, not very thin, not suddenly lose weight, not suddenly gain weight. So the option is the gain and lose weight easily. It means the option 1 is not correct. It is hard to gain weight. It is also not correct. It is difficult to gain muscle. It is also not correct. And option 2, the gain and the lose weight is. Start the question number 4. Which physical fitness test is used to assess cardiovascular endurance? Cardio means heart. The cardio means heart. And the physical fitness which used to cardiovascular endurance, the option push-up test, not correct. Sit and read test, no, it is not correct. Sit-up test, it is also not correct. Copper run test is the correct option. Let us start question number 5. To prevent an injury, one should always. Prevent an injury, one should always warm up properly, no. Have appropriate fitness level before playing, no. Wear the exercise equipment, no. All of the above, yes. So these all options are clear because all of the above. Question 6. The ability to maintain equilibrium when stationary or moving. Stationary means at rest. Moving means dynamic. The ability is accuracy, no. Flexibility, no. The balance, yes. The option 3, balance is the clear, correct. The question number 7. The influence of peer group is more in adult stage, no. Adolescent stage, yes. Adolescent stage is the stage between child to adult. The age is known as adolescent stage, and influence of peer group is more in adolescent stage. In question number 8, it is ability to use the sense together with body part during movement. Is power? No. Agility, no. Speed, no. Coordination. The coordination means the adjustment of your all sense organ with muscular, and this is known as coordination, so that one can adjust himself according to his body part and the need of atmosphere. So the option 4 is correct. The question number 9, the systematic planning of athletic or physical training is called periodization. Yes, option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Specificity, no. Exclusivity, no. Variance, no. The question 10, the factor that influence human growth and development. The growth and development are heredity. Yes, it is also an option, because heredity is the character which comes from generation to generation, from parent to offspring. So the region of health and growth is also a factor of heredity. Environment, the second point, is also true, because environment also influence the growth and development of human. The gender is also depend the growth and development. So the option 4, all of the above is correct. The question 11, what is the most common symptom of ACL injury? The pain, swelling along the inner part of the leg, no. A loud pop or a popping sensation in the knee with the severe pain. If you move and the sound is produced from up and down of your knee moving to direction, then this is known as the ACL injury. Question number 12, which of the following statement is correct? The language acquisition is faster in girls in their teen. Yes, option first is correct. Still like catching, jumping, throwing, or slow in boy. No, the boy is not slower than girl. Girl don't grow taller. This option is not correct. Gender does not influence growth and development. It is not correct, because gender also influence the growth and development. So the option 1, language acquisition is faster in girl in their teen, is correct. Question number 13, what is essential for the healthy development of a child? The proper nutrition. Yes. Recreation means entertainment. No, it is not correct. Fiber food means fiber. No. And excretion. No. So the option 1, the proper. Let us start. Question number 14. Which among the following are the objective of physical education? The question is asking about the objective of physical education. So let us start on the option given below. Number 1 option, the number 1 option, physical development and psychological development. No, the psychological development is not correct. And the second option is given social development, emotional development. This is also not correct, because social development and emotional development does not occur in the objective of physical education. And the third option, neuromuscular development, mental development. Yes, so the option 4, all of the above is correct. Sure. Question 15, if someone has a broken bone, the bone is broken, which of the following statement is true? If we do not support the limb, it may cause further injury. Yes, if we do not support the fractured vein, then it will become more serious. So option 1 is correct. But focus on second and third, fourth option also. If we do not support the limb, the person will be able to move limb more easily. No, you cannot able to move more easily. If we do not support the limb, it does not matter. No, none of the above, no. The question 16, which is not the psychological development objective in physical education? Psychological development means mental development. The option given for and the one option to develop self-confidence and self-esteem. It is not psychological development. To develop the ability to use one body, express one idea, attitude and emotion. Yes, it is the psychological development. To the option third is to develop the ability of plan, implement and evaluate decisions. This is not cycle. And to develop alertness of mind, deep concentration through the various physical activity. It is also wrong and it is not correct. Let us start question number 17. The best way to prevent sport injury is the stay calm, no, good warming up and stretching. Yes, not to do much effort, no, not to play, no. The question 18, to risk for shin splint injury is more if you are cycle for a longer duration, no, have flat feet or very rigid foot or yes, it is the correct option. And similar, no, and have a collision on football, no. The question 19, the process by which child learn to interact with other around them is called the discussing the option given below. The physical development, no, psychological development, no, and emotional development is also not. The social development is the process by which child learn to interact with other around them is called. Question 20, which are the following is the psychological development objective of physical education? To develop organ system such that the muscular system, digestive system. No, it is not a physiological development. It is the only physical development. The second option, to develop understanding and appreciation of the culture. It is the mental development. To develop the ability to deal with success and failure with equanimity. No, to develop alertness of mind, deep concentration through various physical activity. Yes, option 4 is correct. The question 21, the physical makeup of a person body is called the size, no, height, no, shape, no. The physical makeup is called the body type of a person. The question 22, what does the principle of variance suggest? The principle of variance suggests the option 1, major change in training help in sport performance, no. Minor change in training help in sport performance, true. The option second is correct. Third and fourth is not correct. The question 23, mesoform tend to have metabolism, slow metabolism, no, average to fast metabolism, medium metabolism, high metabolism. What is the metabolism? The metabolism is the reaction found in our body is known as metabolism. The question 24, which are the following statements true with respect to growth? It means you should find out the clear definition of the growth. It stops when maturity has been attained. Yes, after maturity growth is stopped permanently after maturity in animal, but in plant the growth is continuing. It continues through the life. No, it is only found in plant. It is a progressive series of change. After growth and achieving maturity, no change cannot be measured. False. The question 25. What physical trait? Trait means character. Trait means character. Associate with an ectomorph. The broad soldier, no. Thin build, yes. Large frame, no. Small feet, no. So the option 2 is correct. The question number 26. What is physical fitness? Physical fitness. The physical fitness differ from mental fitness, and option physical fitness 1. Any physical activity that improves your ability to complete tasks. No, the ability to do everyday task without getting tired. Yes, and the way your body adapt to the stress of exercise. No, all of the above. No. The question 27. Which of the following most likely to increase the risk of leg and foot fracture? Which of the following is most likely to increase the risk of leg and foot fracture? Gradual increase or intensity of training? No. Warm up and cool down? No. Stretching the leg muscle? No. High at the low flexibility of the lower body? Yes. The option 4 is correct. Number 28. The progressive series of change that occur in orderly predictable pattern as the result of maturation and experience is called development. Yes. Growth. The progressive series is change. No. Birth. No. None. No. The development is the correct option. The question 29. How does an MCL injury occur? Falling on the outside of the hip and banging on the hip on any hard surface. No. Putting strain on calf muscle during repeated exercise. No. Car accident. Not no. Improper landing after a jump. Yes. Improper landing after a jump is the cause of MCL injury occur. The question 30. The question 30. Ability of your joint to move through a full range of motion. The joint. There is many type of joint found in our body, and option given agility, no. Coordination, no. Flexibility, yes. The flexibility is the ability of your joint to move through a full range of motion. Speed is no. The question 31. What is the name of fitness test of power? The name of fitness test of power is 100-meter run. No. Standing broad jump. Yes. Copper run test. No. Zigzag test. No. Question number 32. What is an ACL injury? It is the pain along the inside edge of the shin ridge. No. It is a tear or sprain of the anterior cruciate ligament. Yes. It is the inflammation of the plantar fascia ligament. No. It is the tear or sprain of the medicocollateral ligament. No. The question 33. The question 33. The year between the onset of puberty and beginning of adulthood is in the stage of. It is the adolescence. Yes. Adolescence is the stage from between child to adult. Between child to adult. And in adolescent stage, the puberty has been stage, the adult onset of puberty has been start. Childhood, no. The adulthood, no. And infancy, till never know. The question 34. The being able to change direction quickly in a game of basketball is a good example of which skill related component. The speed, no. Coordination, no. The agility, yes. And the power is no. The question 35. The power of memory, thinking, decision making get increased in which stage of the growth and development? Childhood stage, no. Infancy stage, no. And adulthood, yes. Adolescent stage, no. In adulthood stage, the memory, thinking, decision and taking good decision is found in adulthood stage. Question number 36. Which somatotype are at a greater risk of becoming obese? Endomorph, yes. Mesomorph, no. Ectomorph, no. Athletic, no. The question 37. According to principle of continuity, the principle of continuity, training program should be regular? Yes. Irregular? No. Once a week? It is no. Once a month? No. The question 38. The stage from the age of 19 to 65. After 19 you will achieve the stage of adult. So the childhood stage? No. Infancy? No. It is newborn child. Adolescent stage? No, because it is the gap between child to adult, and 16 to 95 is the adulthood stage. In 39, question number, what is the muscle strain? It is the inflammation of the tendon that join the muscle of the forearm to the outside of the elbow. No, it is an injury of muscle caused by overstretch of the muscle due to violent pull. Yes. And it is a tear or sprain of the anterior cruciate ligament. No. It is inflammation of the bursa. No. 40. The mnemonic RICE stand for rest, introvert, compression, elevation. No. Rest, eyes, compression and elevation. Yes. It is the correct option of mnemonic RICE. The 41 question. The ability to move from one point to another in the shortest period of time. Power? No. Electricity? No. Speed? Yes. Speed is the correct option. And question 42. The transmission of trait. Trait means character. Transmission means transfer from parent to offspring. It's called environment? No. The gene? No. Heredity? Yes. Heredity is the transmission of character from parent to offspring, and biology? No. The question 43. The ability of the muscle to exert maximum force is called muscular endurance. No. Flexibility? No. Agility? No. Muscular strength? Yes. Muscular strength is the correct option. Question 44. Which are the following not the objective of physical education? The physical development, it is the objective, it is the true. Psychological development, it is also true. And neuromuscular development, it is also true. Sedentary lifestyle, yes, it is not the object of physical education. So the question is asking not the object. So the 4 is not the object, hence option 4 is correct. The question 45. A stress fracture is a fatigue induced in tiny crack. Tiny crack are small in a bone. Yes, it occurs when the ligament that support the ankle are stretched. No, it is traumatic injury in the brain. No, it is the inflammation of the plantar fascial ligament. No. So the option 1 is correct. The question 46. What is cardiovascular endurance? Cardio means heart. Cardio means heart. And vascular, it is the ability of a muscle to grow the muscle in sustained repeated contraction. No. It is the ability of the heart, that lung to supply oxygen, rich blood to the working muscle tissue. Yes. It is the ability of muscle to overcome resistance and produce force. No. It is the range of motion in a joint group. Joint, the ability to move joint, effective through complete range of motion. No. The question 47. Following is the objective of physical development in physical education. To guide a person to make his body strong, well shaped, good looking. No. To develop positive thought, ideas, behavior and attitude, conduct and response. Yes. To develop the ability to respect the attitude. No. To develop the ability to control various emotions like fear, pleasure, hope and eager. No. Question 48. The question 48. In which part of the body can you suffer a concussion? The option is given. Leg, no. Elbow, no. Head, yes. And knee, no. So the option 3 is correct. Question 49. The cool down period is designed to The cool down period help reduce muscle stiffness and score. Yes. Power body temperature. Yes. And redistribute the pooled blood after exercise. All three options correct. So the four option all the above. So it is correct, and this option is the correct option is 4 all the above. In the question 50, in which stage of the physical growth is rapid? The growth is rapid in early childhood. No, there is slow growth and adolescence, fast growth and old age. No growth infancy, very fast growth of just after childbirth. The growth and the weight and the other part of the body growth is found more tremendous in infancy, means 0 to 3 years. So the option 4 is correct. The paper of physical education has been solved. Please like it, subscribe it, and for any other your ideas or any doubt, please comment. We will solve it in your comment box. Thank you.